I'm working today with Best Buy on a sponsored video to tell you a little bit about the Amazon Echo Plus. I'm going to give you 5 questions that you can ask your Echo Plus when you're home. Alexa, what is the weather like?
In Westbury, it's 37 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the school ban scissors?
Why?
To keep students from cutting class.
Oh, if I were my son, I would do this. Alexa, is there any traffic into Manhattan?
Currently, traffic to Manhattan looks pretty clear.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I'm part of the Amazon family.
Alexa, sing me happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Tell me something that's happening in the news.
Here's your flash briefing from NPR's Up First.
And now we're going to get a full-blown news report from Alexa. There's a lot of information that you can ask as well. For more information, head to bestbuy.com. Echo Plus is a hands-free speaker you control with your voice with a built-in smart home hub. It connects to the Alexa voice service to play music, ask questions, make calls, provide information, and more. All you have to do is ask. Echo Plus has 360-degree room-filling sound powered by Dolby and can hear you from across the room from any direction. It is always getting smarter as Alexa continues to add additional features.